सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। ॐ श्लोका नंबर 256। षड्भिरूर्मिभिरयोगि योगिहृत् षड्भिरूर्मिभिरयोगि योगिहृत् भावितं न करणैर्विभावितम् बुद्ध्यवेद्यमनवद्यमस्ति यत् ब्रह्मतत्त्वमसि भावयात्मनि। शंकराचार्य dealing with the topic of nididhyasanam, contemplation. Yat bhavam tad bhavati. What you think, so you become. If I think all the time I am Brahman, I am Brahman, I will become Brahman, become in inverted commas. There is no becoming, but I understand. What type of Brahman I am? I have to say myself all the time. Shat ऊर्मिभिः षड्भिः ऊर्मिभिः अयोगी. I am the consciousness, Brahma Chaitanyam, free from ayogi means yoga rahitam, sambandha rahitam, sambandha shunyam, not related in artham, relationless. I am relationless Brahman. Relationlessness with what? Shadbhihi urmibhihi, with the 6 types of pangs. Pang means pain. 6 type of pangs. Pang, P-A-N-G. It is a type of pain. Hunger is a type of pang. No? Thirst. Generally this pang they use for the hunger. You can supply to other pains also. Sthula Sharira level 2, Prana level 2, Manomaya level 2. These pains are totally 6. Physical level, Sthula Sharira level, Jara and Marana. Or Vyadhi you can take. Disease and old age. Disease and old age are a type of a pain. That's why old age annale bhayam. Even disease also. Both are at physical level. Then hunger and thirst. Chud pipasa. Chud vyadhi. Shankaracharya says in Sadhana Panchakam, Chud vyadhischa chikishchadamana. You cure the disease, hunger disease with the food. You take Bhiksha Aushadham to cure the disease. That hunger is a type of disease. Shuddhyadhi. Those days people used to take food also like Aushadham. Now we are taking Aushadham as food. Bottles, tonics, tablets. So that chud, also that badha, chud bhada and challo, hunger, that pain, and thirst also. You cannot stand with that hunger and thirst at prana level. That's why we say I lose my life itself without food and water. Then other two, last 4 and 5 and 6. So hunger and thirst are 3 and 4. Disease and old age are 1 and 2. What are the 5 and 6? Shoka and moha at mental level. Sorrow, born out of moha, delusion. So, our sorrow is because of our own delusion, not because of wife or not because of husband. Our sorrow is caused by our own delusion. Of course, delusion is caused because of ignorance. Delusion is because of ignorance. Finally, ignorance we have to attack. Clear? Because of ignorance, delusion, because of delusion, sorrow. These two are at a mental level. That's called Shadbhihi Urmibhihi. By these 6 Urmis, Ayogi. This I, the Atma, the consciousness is Sambandha Shunyam. So all these 6 belong to Annamaya Kosha, Pranamaya Kosha, Manomaya Kosha. Annamaya Kosha body, I am not the body, therefore the problems belong to that body, disease and old age are not belong to me, the consciousness. Clear? I am the possessor, I am possessing the body. My body I am telling. I say my body, you never say I am body. That means what? My car, you say, when there is a problem in the car, you say my problem? The car problem. Because car is mine. Problem also belong to whom? Car only. Because we are so attached to car, that problem in the car, we get that problem because of attachment. Similarly, body also, since that body is mine, the problems of the body is not mine. What is mine is not me. That means I am not having old age. I am not having disease also. And the ayogi means. Ayogi means don't think, he do not know asanas, pranayama. He is ayogi. Ayogya payyanen solravanla. Andha madri kediyadu. Here, associationless and artham. Similarly, this hunger and thirst also, the prana is mine. My life, my prana we say, I am prana we never say. When that hunger and thirst belong to prana, therefore this hunger and thirst are also, I am not having the original consciousness. So who is having? That prana is having that hunger and thirst. Since I am very close to that hunger and thirst I am taking to mine, myself. That's why olden days people having the tolerance power, It is natural, this hunger, this thirst also natural. They are able to withstand with that also. In the occasions when they are not able to get food or water, they are able to withstand even 1 or 2 days also. Nowadays people cannot withstand. Whatever available, take and eat. So this is that. Because we are so much close, attached. The olden days people are not much attached to the body. That's why they are able to, even in that pain also they are able to withstand, because they are having some detachment with the body-mind complex. Because of their way of lifestyle. Now you can understand how people lived in our country. How we are living now. Similarly, Shoka, Moha also belong to the Manomaya Kosha. Since mind is belong to me, but not me, therefore the Shoka, Moha also I am watching like a movie madre. Sometimes nice scenes will come, comedy, humor, sometimes tragedy, sometimes whole confusion, chaos in the movie also. What do? Just you watch. Oh, nice story, nice story. You see, like that, you have to watch your own sorrow and delusion also. Romba kashtam Swami. You are seeing 2 movies. One is directly you are seeing your own sorrow, delusion movie. அது ஒரு பக்கம் இருக்கும். இது கொஞ்சம் தள்ளிட்டு கொஞ்ச நேரம் அப்படி இரு, நான் டிவி சீரியல் பார்த்துட்டு வரேன். Then we see the another serial. This serial we keep temporarily suspend. Once you switch off that TV serial, நம்ம serial start ஆகும். குழந்தை நல்லா படிக்கலையோ, மார்க்ஸ் வரலையோ, ஸ்கூலுக்கு போகணுமே, ரிப்போர்ட் கார்டு, இதெல்லாம் நம்ம ட்ராமா வந்துடும். So whenever you are seeing outside drama, you are suspending your drama. That's all. As though we feel we are free from our problem. Really we are not free. We have suspended temporarily. Because our mind is totally in that other movie. That's why people want to always switch on either TV, talking with others, some program they want to go. Why, you know? All the time they want to suspend their sorrow, delusion temporarily. So otherwise they cannot withstand. If another serial is not there outside, either TV serial or Sangeeta music program or dance program or a neighbor, talking with the neighbor or friends function illana paithiyame pudichidum namakku. That's why people always engage in one program or other. You see, they say, I am very busy, you know. I am very busy and anartham, I am escaping from my problems and artham. The people, that's why they are always busy. I want to keep myself busy. It's another way of dialogue, you know. In the nice, polished dialogue, I cannot withstand to face myself. Therefore, I want to preoccupy myself. I want to be occupied myself. They cannot face themselves. You see, the whole world, this is the drama going on. But a Vedantic seeker, a mumukshu, facing himself or herself. That is what? Tanittiru. Apoda in the, you can face yourself what you are. So, ayogi, yogi hrit bhavitam. This Atma, I the consciousness, it is Yogi Hrita Bhavita, means it is meditated by the yogis, in the heart of yogis. All the time the yogis means here jignasus, mumukshus, always that they dwell upon what? This Atman only. Where? In the heart. Hridaya Pundarike. Bhavita means dhyanam. Thinking about, pondering over on that, I am that consciousness, Chaitanya. Even while walking on this road also, I have to remember. Just as you remember yourself on walking on the road, yes? Are you remembering yourself or not? Are you remembering yourself means you are aware of you. In spite of that road, that means you cannot escape. Yogi hriti bhavitam. How? Adarena dhyatam anartham. Adarena means with so much interest, with so much love. I want to know, I want to know, I want to know, I want to know, that they dwell upon that, and after knowing that, they being in that, being always in that, remaining in that, abiding in that nature all the time. In spite of things are going on here, somewhere, it doesn't matter, it will never disturb. Like the ocean in the middle. These urmis are like waves. The commentator writes, it's like waves. He says, Tarangavatu upari sambhavanti. Like waves, they'll come up, again go. They come up and go. This is also, once at a time, aggravates and subsides. Aggravate, subsides. Hunger also like that. Appeasing hunger, again it starts. Again appeasing, again starts. Thirst also. Thirst and so, the mother, even shoka, moha also. Sometimes they are predominant. Sometimes bloomy face, sometimes gloomy face. Like Tarangavadana. Thrashed by all these things. Our life really, Ajnani life is always thrashed by, hijacked by all these things. For a Jnani, he looked at them objectively. So therefore, na karanair vibhavitam, this Atma, the consciousness, can never be comprehended by the karanaihi, by the sense organs, either by eyes, either by ears, either by touch, either by smell, either by taste. Karanaihi na vibhavitam. You cannot meditate through the sense organs. You cannot grasp through the sense organs. Na chakshur gacchati, na vag gacchati, no manaha. Yan manasana manute, yenahur manomatan. Why? Because yattad adreshyam, agrahyam, agotram, avarnam, achakshushrotram. Brahman is, the consciousness observer is free from what? All the sense organs. All the sense organs belong to this fleshy body. Not me, the consciousness. Not me, the consciousness. It's very, very wonder. It is ascharyavat, no? Ascharyamu, ascharyamu. Aho shastram. Once the jnanam comes, you can, and the shastram nabadiye praise pannalam. But the shastram comes through the guru. Aho guru. What a try guru. My guru is a wonderful guru. Wonderful shastram. In the jnanam. Wonderful jnanam. So therefore, na karanaihi vibhavitam buddhya vedyam. It cannot be graspable by the ordinary intellect. That means you are all coming and grasping means you are all not having ordinary intellect. You are having high intellect. That means sukshma buddhi anartham. Sukshma buddhi irundada in the road lo nadande varamudiyam. இல்லைன்னா அங்கேயே குட் பை. அந்த பக்கம் இந்த பக்கம். இது கேட்கறதுக்கு சூக்ஷ்ம புத்தி வேணும். புத்தி அவேத்தியம்னா by ordinary intellect cannot be grasped. That's why whoever understand this, their intellect is not an ordinary intellect. That's why so-called intellectual people, they are thinking they are intellectual. Not at all intellectual. Come on and study Shastra, whether your intellect is really great intellect or not, you can check up. Try to understand this. Then Shastra gives a certificate for you. What certificate? First, gold medalist and ardham. Intellect gold medalist. Very, very rare. Very rare. People are having very gross intellect. Very, very gross intellect. Because the intellect cannot withstand with this toughest subject. That is why Buddhi says, I cannot swallow, let it go out. It goes above head. What do you mean by above head, Tarima? A gross intellect is that which cannot swallow the difficult Mahavakya statement. What it says? Please go above head. I cannot grasp. It has no qualification in Artha. That's why many people will come, but they cannot grasp. Say buddhya vedyam anavadyam asti yat anavadyam asti, whatever is there, yat asti, whatever is there which is free from dosha, anavadyam, or which is unspeakable. Avadyam means speakable, anavadyam, dosha rahitam, nirdushtam brahma, nirdosham brahma, dosha rahitam brahma, yat asti, that tat brahma tvamasi, you are that. Oh my dear student, tvamasi, tat, and the 3 lines, tat tvam only, you only, that which is free from all the shat urmis and which is meditated upon by the yogis in the heart, and that which is not able to grasp by the sense organs, that which is not able to grasp by the gross intellect, that Brahman you are. Bhavaya, meditate upon that. Always think about that. If you go on thinking like that, family people, they will not allow you. Don't bother, Papa, let them talk anything, don't get disturbed. Children, husband or wife, other relatives, they may come and disturb our. Irundhalum kuda paravaala. Okay. Put up with all of them. But at the same time, tat brahma tvamasi bhavaya. Next shloka, 257. Bhranti kalpita jagat kalashrayam swashrayam cha sadasit sadvilakshanam swashrayam cha sadasadvilakshanam nishkalam nirupamanavadhyat brahma tattvamasi bhavayatmani. In the 3rd line there is a correction. Nirupamanam ruddhi, nirupamana mriddhi, you have to write makara and rutvam, mriddhi, nirupamanam vriddhi, nirupamana mriddhi. Na aparam, you can write ma and ritvam, mriddhi. If you split it, irupamanam riddhi. R, oval ru, it comes. Now, the Shankaracharya continuing the same topic. Bhranti kalpita jagat kalashrayam. This jagat, this whole jagat is bhranti kalpitam. Bhranti means because of delusion. It is an imagination, your delusion, your speculation. Because of delusion. Bhranti means speculation or delusion, or because of error, mistaking, not taking properly, missing to take. The mistake. Mistake enna theriyuma? Missing to take the fact is called a mistake. Bhranti is that. That's why when they take brandy, ella bhrantiya theriyum. அதுக்கு தான் அது பேர் பிராண்டி. பிராந்தியில் வந்தால் பிராண்டியே வந்தது. ரம்மு கூட அப்படிதான். ரெவலிங் என்ன ரம் என்ன டு ரெவல் அர்த்தம். ஸோ வென் தே டேக் ரம் த ரெவல். எல்லா பொய்யான ஜகத்தில் தே ரெவல். ஒன்ஸ் த டோஸ் கோஸ் டவுன் தே கம் டு தட். தட்ஸ் வை ஆல் அஜ்ஞானிஸ் ஆர் இன் ட்ரங்கன் ஸ்டேட். Another place also, Shankaracharya used the same word. The whole world is in a drunken state. All ajnanis are compared to a drunkard. ஏன்னா அவனுக்கு ட்ரங்கடுக்கு எல்லாமே என்னமோ மாதிரி தோன்றதா இல்லையா? இல்லாததெல்லாம் he is gone imagining. And he is talking, blabbering so many things. He blabbers so many things which are all unreal. See, all ajnanis are talking about these relations. This world is equal to same like the drunken person. Shastra and alavukku it dare to say because once you get knowledge, it is true, you can understand. You can understand it is true what the statement says. Just the same like that person. All ajnanis are talking. That's why once you know that Brahman, real nature, I am, that consciousness, you will become silent. What is there to talk? Nothing. That's why he will become silent. A jnani is one who never talk. If he talk, that's why Krishna Arjuna asked in Bhagavad Gita, स्थित प्रज्ञस्य का भाषा समाधिस्तस्य केशव स्थितधि किं प्रभाषेत समाद प्रभाषेत किं. What he talks, if he talks, what he talks, how he moves, all these things. Like that, a wise person never talk. Whatever you talk belong to vyavaharika prapancha. Adla sattaye ille. Ella bhranti kalpitam. ஏன்னா தா அண்ட் தா சேம் இன் சான்ஸ்கிரிட். பிராண்டி யூ ரைட், பிராந்தி ஆல்சோ சேம். ஓகே, பட் ரைட் ப்ராப்பர் ஸ்பெல்லிங். ஓகே. கல்பிதம் ஜகத் கலாஸ்ரயம். திஸ் ஜகத் இஸ் டிபெண்ட் ஆன் த ஆஸ்ரயம் மீன்ஸ் டேக்கிங் ஷெல்டர் அப்பான். ஆஸ்ரயம் மீன்ஸ் டிபெண்டிங் அப்பான். Kala means a part, finite thing. Kala ashrayam, that which is depending upon the part. The whole world is finite, it is a part. There are many parts, angams are there. Human beings, species, plants, kingdom, animal kingdom, objects, different. These are all parts. Now you see in the hall, so many objects are there. All are there inside. All these are called parts. Angams, limbs in the world. All are there. Kalashrayam. They are all parted. Different divisions are there in Artham. Kalashrayam. They are all finite things. Kala means amsha. Swashrayam cha, this Atma, I the consciousness is Swa-ashrayam. Depending on one's, not depending on any other external thing, one's own anartha. Relying upon, leaning upon myself. Jnana enna Atma Jnana, you know? Not leaning upon anything in this world, leaning upon my own nature. That is called Atma Jnana. No emotional problems. No emotional problems. எனக்குன்னு யார் இல்லையேன்னு சுவாமிஜி அழகா சொல்லுவார். எனக்குன்னு யார் இல்லையே, தீர்க்கமா நீளமா. பாவம் சுவாமிக்கு யாருமே இல்லை. இதெல்லாம் emotional problems. That's why a person who is having emotional problems, emotionally, always somebody has to be there. If they are not there, he is restless. That person is unfit for self-knowledge. The logic, rational reasoning and all won't work. That's why Shastra, Kalidasa, one place, he says, see, when the people are emotional, at emotional level person, this Vedanta should not be uttered, these statements. Because that emotionally weakened person, his mind is not available. Not available. Vedanta is available to that person who is emotionally strong enough, not leaning upon another. That's why most of the people are emotionally weak, always depending. எப்போவுமே நிறைய பேர் பாருங்க இமோஷனலி வீக், தைரியமே இருக்காது. நம்ம கொஞ்சம் தலைவலி வந்தா யாராவது வந்தா நம்ம கொஞ்சம் ஹெல்ப் பண்ண நல்லா இருக்கு, கால் வரி வந்தா யாராவது வந்து இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் பெஸ்ட் பண்ணணும். இந்த மாதிரி ஆல்வேஸ் சீக்கிங் சம்திங் ஆர் அதர் ஃப்ரம் அவுட் சைடு பீப்புள். Physical level you can expect something, some extent. It is must, we need physical support. But emotionally you need not support at all, you need not seek any support. If you are strong enough, very difficult this is. Not so easy. It is human weakness. That's why kaschit dhiraha pratyagaatmanamaikshatamana. Dhiraha means emotionally strong person anartham. That's why Krishna Paramatma, when he says striyaha, and they say, and the striyaha means not female but a weak minded person anartham. For such people Vedanta don't teach them. Even if you teach also, they will not grasp at all. The punyam varum, let them listen. So very difficult. That's why swashrayam, relying, depending on its own. Swashrayam means sve mahimni pratisthita, shruti pramanam, sve mahimni pratisthita. But when is not depending on anything, where it is depending on, what it is depending on. Atma is not depending on anything, it is depending on itself. That means what? Once I recognize I am Atma, I am depending on myself. That is why world dependence to God dependence, God dependence to Guru dependence, Guru dependence to Shastra dependence, Shastra dependence to self dependence, self dependence alone is called independence. புரியுறதா? இதுதான் இண்டிபெண்டன்ஸ். நாட்டுக்கு இண்டிபெண்டன்ஸ் வந்தாச்சு, நமக்கு எப்போ வரும்னா அந்த இண்டிபெண்டன்ஸ் வருதுன்னா ஃப்ரீடம். So first start, come out of the world dependence. World means family. That is why sannyasi is able to live without depending on anything, especially emotional. Staying alone, தனியா இருக்கணும். அது it is very toughest job. To make the mind emotionally strong, this is one ashrama, fourth ashrama, sannyasa ashrama. According to Shastra, the sane, psychologically healthy person is a sannyasi. Actually. Psychologically sane person யாராவது இருந்த சந்நியாசி தான். எல்லாமே லீனிங் தான். Even Grihastha also having such a mind, he is also a Grihastha sannyasi. Mind is important. It is not the ashrama, outer level I am telling. Mentally, how to be. Swashrayam, not only that, sad asad vilakshanam. It is neither sat nor asat. Either murta prapancha or amurta prapancha. It is vilakshanam. Different from tangible, gross world and different from intangible, subtle world. You cannot say this Brahman is different from only gross world. That means what? It is subtle, I know. It is not even subtle also. It is beyond subtle. Sat, asat, vilakshanam. That means karya, karana, vilakshanam. Karya means gross, murta prapancha. Karana means asat, karana prapancha. Karana prapancha. So cause and effect. So Brahman is neither cause nor effect. Karya karana vilakshanam alone is sadasad vilakshanam. Nishkalam, partless, niravayavam anartham. Nishkalam means partless. Kala means part. This whole jagat is sakalam. That's sakalam. You know, sakalam jagat and artham puriyarda ipo? Sakalam jagat. Sakalam. Kalena sahana. Partena saha vartate iti sakalam. Whereas Aidi Brahman is nishkalam. I am partless. But then the part than is Swamini body. You are not the body. You are the consciousness. Nishkalam. Nirupamanam. Asadrisham anartham. It has no other thing to compare anything. Nirupamanam. Upama means comparable. Anupama means synonymless. Synonymless. Asadrisham. Sadrisham means comparable. Sadrisham. Asadrisham. You cannot compare with anything because it is nirupamanam. அதுக்கு உபமானம் வந்ததே கிடையாது உலகத்தில். அதனால அது நிருபமானம் பிரம்மன். யார்? நான் தான். நிருபமானம் பிரம்மன் அஹமஸ்மி. சம்ருத்தியத். சம்ருத்தி மீன்ஸ் ஆல்வேஸ் இட் இஸ் சம்ருத்தியாக இருக்கிறதுன்னு சொல்லுவேன் இல்லையா? சம்ருத்தின்னா ப்ராஸ்பரஸ், சக்சஸ்ஃபுல், ஆல் த டைம், ஃபுல்லி கம்ப்ளீட் அன் அர்த்தம். பரிபூர்ணம் அன் அர்த்தம். Complete paripurnam. That is the meaning samruddhi. Yet, எது இருக்கோ அது அனர்த்தம். அது யாருன்னு எங்கேயும் பார்க்கக்கூடாது. கீழே மேலே கீழே பார்க்கக்கூடாது. அதச்சோர்தம் பிரசுதம் தஸ்ய சாக்காக தட்சிணத்தः வாமதः பிருஷ்டதः everywhere that alone. I am that. Brahma yat asti tat Brahma. Tat Brahma tvamasi. Tat Brahma tvamasi. Appo nanu sollano? Every student have to say Aham Brahmasmi. Aham Brahmasmi. The whole Vedanta teaching is comprised in this Viveka Chudamani. Whole teaching is there. Next shloka. Janma vruddhi parinatya pakshayam व्याधिनाशनविहीनमव्ययम् विघातकारणम् विश्वसृष्ट्यविघातकारणं ब्रह्म तत्त्वमसि भावयात्मनि जन्म वृद्धि परिणाम अपक्षय व्याधि नाशन विहीनम अव्ययम ब्रह्म. Brahman is avyayam, vyayarahitam, decay-less anartham, declension-less. What type of Shad Vikaras now? It's telling Janma, birth, birthless. Brahman is birthless. Asti jayate vardhate viparinamate apakshiyate vinashyate is putting in different format here. Janma nasti, vriddhihi. Vardhate is there in Tattva Bodha. That vardhate only here vriddhihi. Vardhadhat. Vriddhihi api nasti. Growing also is not there. Growing, graying, going. All belong to whom? Stula Shariram. We are all growing, then graying, okay, then going. But either Atma is free from growing, graying, going. That's Avyayam. Therefore, Vriddhi Rahitam Parinati. Parinati means modificationless. Viparinamaten சொல்றோம் இல்லையா, அந்த விபரிணமத்தை தான் இங்க பரிணதி says. Parinati, modificationless, changeless and artham. When that Brahman is changeless, when I am that Brahman, that means corollary. This changing body, I am not. Violently changing mind, I am not. Yes or no? How to deny I am not this body? Since Brahman is changeless, modificationless, I am Brahman, Shastra is telling, that means the changing body, I cannot. How can I become changing body? So that means disown the body. சுவாமினி ரொம்ப கஷ்டம் சுவாமினி, இவ்வளோ இதுக்கு எவ்வளோ சேவை பண்ணுறேன் நான் டெய்லி. இந்த உடம்பு போய் நான் இல்லைன்னு எப்படி சொல்ல முடியும்? நமக்கு இது பொசஸிங் நேச்சர்னு, ஆவி விட்டாலும் சாவி விட மாட்டேன்னு. பர்சன் இஸ் ரெடி டு டை. திஸ் ஓல்ட் ஏஜ் ஹஸ் கம். அந்த சாவி விட மாட்டேன், கையில் கட்டியாக பிடிச்சிருப்போம். எது டம்ளர் இதெல்லாம் பிடிக்கிறதுக்கு சக்தி இல்லை, அந்த சாவி மாத்திரம் somehow he catch hold tightly. You don't want to give. That is the attachment. That is why people are very, very difficult to give up the sharira abhimana. அந்த மனசுக்கு வர அபிமானம் அது வேறு. அப்படி சொன்னானே இப்படி சொன்னானே அப்படி சொன்னானே சொல்லி அவ்வளோ people go on telling, no? Because emotionally abhimana, upset, immediately getting upset, getting hurt, guilt, உடனே தப்பாக நினைக்கிறது, ராங்காக திங்க் பண்ணுறது, கன்க்ளூஷன்ஸ். ஏன் இதெல்லாம் நடக்கிறதுன்னா, பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் ஐ ஆம் இமோஷனலி மென்டலி அட்டாச்டு டு த சூக்ஷ்ம சரீரம் வெரி வெரி ஸ்ட்ராங்லி. எனக்கு சரியாக பேசலையேன்னு கூட, சிரிக்கவே இல்லையேன்னு பக்கம் பார்த்துட்டு, எவ்வளோ படித்தாலும் சாஸ்திரா இது உண்டு மனசில் இந்த பாவனை வந்து அப்பப்போ நமக்கே சந்தேகம் வரும், இன்னும் எவ்வளோ சாஸ்திரம் படிச்சதுக்கப்புறம் என் கூட எனக்கு இந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் வருது. So it takes time to come out of that. Very, very difficult. Takes years. இன்னொரு பக்கம் சாஸ்திரம் படிச்சுட்டே இருப்போம். But we seek some appreciation. We seek some recognition. We seek some eyes to look at us. பரவாயில்ல வச்சுக்கலாமே, கொஞ்ச நாள் இருக்கட்டும். But one day or other I have to come out. Otherwise it is a torture. How long I have to succumb to these weaknesses? No more. Say no. Venda. Very, very difficult. Yeah. Very difficult. So, parinati, apakshaya. So, asti jayate vardhate viparinamate apakshiyate. And slowly, pallu vannu taka 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 aadi. முடி எல்லாம் கொட்டிகிட்டே இருக்கேன். ஸோ லேடிஸ்க்கு இது பெரிய கம்ப்ளைண்ட். சுவாமினி, மை ஹெயர் வாஸ் ஸோ லாங், இட் இஸ் பிகமிங் வெரி ஷார்ட். அண்ட் ஒரே கவலை அந்த முடி பற்றி. என்னமா சேவை பண்ணுறோம் அதுக்கு, அது பண்ணி இது பண்ணி என்னமோ. ஏன்னா ரிங்கிள்ஸ் வரக்கூடாது, அபக்ஷீயத்தை வந்துட்டே இருக்கு. என்ன பண்ணுறது? However much we put dye cannot stop the wrinkles. You can put half dabba powder dabba. You apply also, wrinkles appear more. Very thick powder you put, it is like focusing matter. Swamiji give another example. People always want to hide their age when they are climbing their steps, staircase. Any person when they are climbing the staircase, immediately you can say what is their age. நீங்க எவ்வளவு ஹைட் பண்ணாலும் ஸ்டெப்ஸ் கிளைம் பண்ணும்போது யூ கேனாட் ஹைட் யுவர் ஏஜ். என்ன ஹைட் பண்ண முடியும்? இது பகவான் வச்சிருந்தேன். அதான் யூ கேனாட் ஹாவ் எனி திங். தென் வியாதி, ஐ எம் பிரம்மன் free from vyadhi, apakshayarahitam, vyadhirahitam. This vyadhi alla yarukna, diabetes, asthma, mutti vali, mudugu vali, tala vali, all these valis belong to this body, not me, the consciousness. Vyadhi rahitam, nashana rahitam. There is no destruction at all for me. So once I take up this body as myself, the destruction of the body I take to myself. So the destruction I cannot withstand, therefore I have a sorrow. So if I am free from this body detached, the destruction of the body is not the destruction of me. No problem. So nashana rahitam, nashana vihinam, vihinam. Avyayam aham brahma asmi. Not only that, Vishwa Srishti Ava Vighata. Avati Vighata. Srishti, these are the three are there. Srishti Sthiti Laya. Etova imani bhutani jayante. Because of which Brahman this whole world is. Imani bhutani jayante, all are born because of Brahman. Brahmashreya maya asti tasmadva etasmad atmana akasha sambhutaha akashad vayuhu vayoragnihi agnerapah adbhyah prithvi prithivya oshadayah oshadibhyonnam annat purushaha. That means what? This body, mind, complex. Now we are seeing Tattva Bodha. The whole Srishti is because of Brahman plus Maya. So Srishti Karanam, as it were. Srishti. Then Sthiti. So Yatova imani bhutani jayante is the Pramanam, Shastra Pramanam. Srishti is because of this Brahman. அது இல்லைன்னா பிரம்ம சிருஷ்டி எங்கே இருக்கு? அசல பிரம்மன் இல்லாமலே சிருஷ்டி எங்கே இருக்கு? வேர் இஸ் த சிருஷ்டி? ஸோ தேர்ஃபோர் இந்த சிருஷ்டிக்கு காரணம் யார்? பிரம்மன் தான். தென் ஏன ஜாதானி ஜீவந்தி, because of which Brahman these jivas are all sustained. This is called avatina. Avati means protecting. Protected by whom? Brahman. Sustained by Brahman. Anartha. Vighata means laya, destruction. Yat prayantyabhisham vishanti, into whom everything will merge into back into that. Just as you Jagrata Avastha, you create the whole Jagat. Swapna Avastha you create and you sustain some time and go to sleep. Where the whole world goes? Into you. The world is coming from you, going into you. This is the individual level. Laya. Pralayam is that total level. So Srushti, Avati and Vighata. Karanam. This Brahman means I, the consciousness, is the substratum of this Srushti, Sthiti, Laya. நான் இல்லைன்னா சிருஷ்டியே இருக்க முடியாது. நான் என்ன ஓசி. நான் ஓசி இல்லாமலே இந்த சிருஷ்டி இருக்க முடியாது. நான் ஓசி இல்லாமலே இந்த சிருஷ்டி ஸ்திதி இருக்க முடியாது. நான் ஓசி இல்லாமலே இந்த சிருஷ்டி cannot merge. Therefore it comes from me, it sustains because of me, it merges into me. அதுதான் meaning. Who is that? Brahma. Tatu tvamasi. You are that Brahman. Bhavaya. Think over, meditate upon. என்னென்னமோ மெடிடேட் பண்ணுறோம். இது மெடிடேட் பண்ணக்கூடாதோ? பண்ணணும். Okay. That is why you see our mind always thinking about what? Whatever you like more, whatever gives more benefit to you, that only you always think. அதே நின்றே இருக்க சுவாமி மனசில். ஓஹோ அப்படியா? ஏன் வருதுன்னா எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருக்கு. I like it, I love it. That means what? Mind register whatever is comfortable for it, what is likable, lovable for it, and what is useful also for it. Mind. அது யூஸ்ஃபுல் இல்லைன்னா போடு குப்பை தொட்டிலாம். Any person, object, as long as it is useful, அது தொடச்சி clean பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கோம். It is not useful, dispatch, relieve, release from that. Even person also. Diverse. Talak. So you have to, that's why people also, I am so attached to Swamini, I love him, but nowadays, ennaachena? That person is not much giving help to me, or not talking to me, or not much giving comfort to me, either husband or son or daughter, any person, even in friend also, including guru also. Ajnanal irundha idella problem varum. So we always see whatever is useful for us, we will keep with us. If it is not useful at any moment, we recognize, immediately we detach ourselves from that. அது மாதிரி இந்த உலகத்தில் இருக்கிறது எல்லாமே டிட்டாச் பண்ணணும். ஸோ யூ ஹாவ் டு அட்டாச் டு பிரம்மன். நேச்சுரல் என்ன ஆகும்? பிரம்மவித் பிரம்மைவ பவதி. பிரம்ம ஏவ ந பிரம்மவித். ஈவன் பிரம்மவித்துன்னு கூட சொல்லக்கூடாது. பிரம்மவித் என்ன? பிரம்மன் தான். வித் ஆல்சோ கம்ஸ் இன் வியாபகாரிக்க வேர்ல்டு. புரியுதா? நான் பிரம்மன் நான் சொல்லக்கூடாது. பிரம்மவித் நான், ஐ ஆம் த நோவர் ஆஃப் பிரம்மன் சொன்னா. சப்போஸ் எனிபடி சேஸ் ஐ ஆம் நோவர் ஆஃப் த பிரம்மன், என்ன குரு சேஸ் தத்துவமசி பாவையா சொல்லார். அகம் பிரம்மாஸ்மி அகம் பிரம்மாஸ்மி. யூ நோ அகம் பிரம்மாஸ்மி. ஐ நோ பிரம்மன். தட் மீன்ஸ் ஐ ஆம் த நோவர் ஆஃப் பிரம்மன், that you should know. Even not Brahmavit also. From worldly angle he is a Brahmavit. But from his angle, even he is not Brahmavit also. He is Brahman. Being, not becoming. That's why Jnani, even whole world is praising. Swamiji was joking that day, one day, people, any auto car, the panam, kekamale, extra kekamale, normal fare ke vandana aschirya. You know, that auto person did not ask extra money. He didn't ask extra money. Extra money kekamale irukkiradhu natural, actually. இப்போ என்ன சொல்கிறோன்னா எக்ஸ்ட்ரா மணி கேட்கலன்னா அது ஒரு விசேஷமாக சொல்லிக்கிறோம். தட் இஸ் வை எனிபடி இஸ் டூயிங் அக்னிஹோத்திரம் சந்தியாவந்தனம். அவர் நல்லா அக்னிஹோத்திரம் பண்ணுறாரு, நல்ல உபாசகர் நல்லா பண்ணுறாரு, சந்தியாவந்தனம் நல்லா பண்ணுறாரு. சந்தியாவந்தனம் தான் பண்ணணும், அக்னிஹோத்திரம் தான் பண்ணணும். யாராவது எக்ஸ்ட்ரா பண்ணால் நமக்கு என்ன தோன்றுறது? we are telling about that person is an extraordinary. ஆர்டினரியாக இருக்கிறது எக்ஸ்ட்ரா ஆர்டினரி பண்ணிட்டோம். Similarly, non-Brahman irukkiradhu normal, ordinary. This is not an extraordinary thing. That's why Jnani never feel it is I am having an extraordinary knowledge. Enna extraordinary knowledge? Idha irukka vendiya knowledge, ippadha irukkanum. People think it is an extraordinary. Avara appa nalla padichirukkaru, Brahmanishta. But Jnani never think he is a Brahmanishta. If he thinks he is a Brahmanishta or she is Brahmanishta, innu gnana varla nu ardham. Next, shloka number 259. Asta bheda manapasta lakshanam nistaranga jalarasi nischalam nityamuktamabhibhaktamurtiyat brahma tattvamasi bhavayatmani. Asta bheda anapasta lakshanam. Brahman is without division. Asta bheda means divisionless anartham. Bheda means sajatiya vijatiya swagata bheda rahitaha Brahman. Without division. That's why all divisions at the body-mind complex level. No? And that's why complex. I am very, very complex person. No? Superiority complex, inferiority complex. Angela be complex mattume ille. Idu complex. People are all living in the complex. Division no complex and artham. Okay, anapasta lakshanam. Its characteristics of this Brahman as though characteristic, not characteristic. No ulahatika solaname vyavaharikama. Anapasta means unnegatable. Apastam means negatable. Na apastam anapastam. Unnegatable. That means ever existent anartha. See, your sthula shariram you are negating in deep sleep. Yes, we are totally forgetting sthula shariram. Apastam. But I am anapastam. I am father from 20 years. That means previously I am not father. I was not father. Like that you take any relation, any post, any status, anything, ellame coming, going down. Negatable. Ayaram, Gayaram. What is not Ayaram, Gayaram? What is not coming and going? Anna, I am. Soyam Devadattaha. Saha Devadattaha, Ayam Devadattaha. Na. Saha Ayam belong to OC. தேவதத்தா இஸ் சேஞ்சிங், பாடி ஹேஸ் சேஞ்ச். நம்மவே சேஞ்ச் ஆகிட்டோம் இல்லையா, முடியெல்லாம் சேஞ்ச் ஆகிடுச்சு, எல்லாமே சேஞ்சிங் பாடி. எவ்ரிடே சீயிங் த மிரர் சொல்லிக்கிறோம். So all changes are going on. So negatable everything. But I am the same. Unnegatable. Apasta lakshanam. Nistaranga jalarasi nischalam. I am nischalam, chalarahitam, nischalam. Like nistaranga, taranga rahita nartham. Waveless. Taranga means wave. Nistaranga means waveless. Jalarashi means ocean. எப்படி இந்த மிடிஸ்ட் ஆஃப் த ஓஷன் வேவ்ஸ் இல்லாமல் நிச்சலமாக இருக்குமோ, ஐ ஆம் த பிரம்மன், த கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ் இஸ் லைக் தட் ஜலராசி. tranquil, ever tranquil consciousness. Nitya muktam avibhaktam, I am ever free consciousness. இப்போ தான் ஃப்ரீ ஆகிட்ட சுவாமினி, உங்கள் கிளாஸுக்கு வந்ததுக்கப்புறம் தான் இப்போ தான் ஃப்ரீடம் கிடச்சிருக்கு எனக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவேல. வாட் இஸ் சுவாமினி டூயிங் ஹியர்? யூ ஆர் ஃப்ரீ, யூ வர் ஃப்ரீ லாங் பிஃபோர் ஆல்சோ, ஃப்ரம் த பிகினிங். நவ் ஆல்சோ யூ ஆர் ஃப்ரீ, யூ ஆர் எவர் ஃப்ரீ. தட் இஸ் கால்ட் நித்ய முக்தான்னு அர்த்தம். அவிபக்தம் மீன்ஸ் டிவிஷன்லெஸ். அவிபக்த undivisible in artham. Avibhakta Murti means undivisible or indivisible. The Shanti Samudram Madri, Pacific Ocean, Shanti Samudram Madri, I am also ever tranquil. Who? Brahma Ahamasmi. Tatu Tvamasi Bhavaya. Until next Sunday. Bhavaya. Dwell upon. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om.